Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be diving into some surprising YouTube growth hacks that can elevate your channel to new heights. I'll explore unique strategies that go beyond the basics, helping you engage your audience and boost your visibility. Get ready to uncover innovative tips that can transform your content and attract more subscribers. Let's embark on this exciting journey to unlock your channel's full potential. Partnering with micro-influencers can significantly enhance your channel's growth. These influencers often have dedicated followers within niche audiences, allowing you to reach potential subscribers who are genuinely interested in your content. Additionally, collaborating with micro-influencers is usually more cost-effective than working with larger creators. For instance, brands like Glossier have successfully teamed up with micro-influencers, resulting in increased visibility and engagement for their channels. YouTube Shorts are a powerful tool for rapid audience engagement, featuring quick, captivating videos that grab attention. Their bite-sized format appeals to viewers looking for instant entertainment. By creating shorts, you can drive traffic to your longer content, enticing viewers to explore more. To make your shorts engaging, focus on strong visuals, catchy hooks, and clear messaging that resonates with your audience. Get creative and watch your channel grow. Interactive content, such as polls and quizzes, can significantly boost viewer retention by encouraging active participation. These formats foster a sense of community and engagement, making viewers feel more connected to your channel. For example, channels like BuzzFeed and Tasty effectively use interactive elements to keep their audience involved. By incorporating these strategies, you can create a more dynamic viewing experience that keeps your audience coming back for more. Voice search is becoming increasingly important for discoverability, as it differs from traditional search by focusing on natural language and conversational queries. To optimize for voice search, use long-tail keywords and phrases that people are likely to speak. Channels like Howcast and Tasty have successfully adapted their content for voice search, resulting in increased visibility and engagement. Be sure to embrace this trend to ensure your videos reach a wider audience. User-generated content is a powerful way to build community and foster engagement. Encourage your viewers to create content related to your channel by hosting challenges or featuring their submissions. This type of content is authentic and relatable, making your audience feel more connected. Successful campaigns, like Coca-Cola's Share a Coke, showcase how viewer contributions can enhance brand loyalty and create a vibrant community around your channel. Experimenting with various video formats can attract diverse audiences and keep your content fresh. Formats like vlogs, tutorials, and reviews cater to different viewer preferences, allowing you to engage a broader audience. For instance, channels like MKBHD and Zoella have successfully diversified their content by incorporating multiple formats, appealing to tech enthusiasts and lifestyle followers alike. Embrace this variety to enhance your channel's reach and engagement. Creating content around trending topics can significantly boost your visibility and attract new viewers. Timely content resonates with audiences looking for the latest information or entertainment. To identify trends, monitor social media platforms and trending hashtags. Channels like BuzzFeed and the Try Guys have successfully capitalized on trends, resulting in substantial growth. By staying current, you can position your channel as a go-to source for relevant content. Using analytics is crucial for informing your content strategy and understanding your audience. By interpreting YouTube analytics, you can gain insights into viewer demographics, watch time, and engagement rates. Tailoring your content based on these preferences can lead to higher retention and growth. Channels like Graham Stephan and Michelle Phan have successfully leveraged analytics to refine their content, resulting in increased subscriber counts and viewer loyalty. A cohesive brand identity is essential for channel recognition and viewer loyalty. Key elements include consistent visuals, such as logos and color schemes, along with a clear messaging style that reflects your channel's personality. Strong branding helps viewers easily identify your content amidst the noise. Channels like Dude Perfect and Tasty exemplify effective branding strategies, creating memorable identities that resonate with their audiences and foster long-term loyalty. Networking with fellow creators is vital for mutual growth within the YouTube community. Building relationships can lead to collaboration opportunities, such as joint videos or shoutouts, which can expand your audience. Engaging with other creators fosters a supportive environment that encourages sharing tips and resources. Successful creator networks, like the Vlog Squad and the H3 podcast community, demonstrate how collaboration can enhance visibility and drive growth for all involved. In this video, I explored surprising YouTube growth hacks, from collaborating with micro-influencers to leveraging analytics for tailored content. Each strategy offers unique opportunities for channel growth and audience engagement. Remember, trying new approaches is essential for success on this platform. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video for more valuable content. Let's grow together and unlock your channel's full potential.